Welcome. Today we're diving into what sets great companies apart when it comes to operations. Operational excellence isn't just about efficiency. It's about creating a culture where every process, every team member, and every decision is aligned toward delivering outstanding results. In this video, we'll explore the core principles, real-world examples, and actionable strategies that top organizations use to achieve and sustain operational greatness. Whether you're a business leader, a team member, or simply curious about what makes companies tick, you'll find valuable insights here. Let's get started by understanding the foundation of operational excellence. Operational excellence is more than a buzzword. It's a mindset and a set of practices that drive continuous improvement across all areas of a business. Companies that excel operationally focus on streamlining processes, eliminating waste, and empowering employees to solve problems proactively. This approach leads to higher quality, lower costs, and faster delivery times. By embedding operational excellence into their DNA, these organizations can adapt quickly to change and consistently outperform their competitors. Let's look at the key pillars that support this philosophy. The heart of every great operational strategy is strong leadership. Leaders in top companies don't just set goals, they model the behaviors and values they want to see throughout the organization. They communicate a clear vision, invest in training, and foster an environment where innovation is encouraged. This commitment from the top ensures that operational excellence isn't just a project, but a way of life. Employees feel empowered to suggest improvements, knowing their ideas will be heard and valued. Great companies never lose sight of their customers. Every operational decision is made with the customer in mind, from product design to delivery. This customer-centric approach ensures that processes are aligned to meet and exceed expectations. By listening to feedback and anticipating needs, these organizations build loyalty and trust. Operational excellence, therefore, isn't just about internal efficiency, it's about delivering value where it matters most. Optimizing processes is a cornerstone of operational excellence. Top companies regularly review and refine their workflows to eliminate bottlenecks and reduce waste. They use data and analytics to identify areas for improvement and implement changes quickly. This relentless pursuit of efficiency not only cuts costs but also improves quality and speed. The result is a more agile organization that can respond to market changes with confidence. Employees are the engine of operational excellence. Great companies invest in training and development, giving their teams the skills and tools they need to succeed. They encourage a culture of ownership where everyone feels responsible for the company's success. By empowering employees to make decisions and solve problems, these organizations unlock creativity and drive continuous improvement from the ground up. Continuous improvement is at the core of operational excellence. Top companies never settle for the status quo, they're always looking for ways to get better. They use methodologies like Lean, Six Sigma, and Kaizen to systematically identify and eliminate inefficiencies. This commitment to ongoing improvement keeps them ahead of the competition and ensures long-term success. Technology plays a critical role in operational excellence. Leading companies invest in digital tools and automation to streamline processes and enhance productivity. From cloud-based collaboration platforms to advanced analytics, technology enables faster decision-making and better resource allocation. By staying at the forefront of innovation, these organizations can adapt quickly and maintain their competitive edge. Making decisions based on data is a hallmark of operationally excellent companies. They collect and analyze information from every part of the business, using it to guide strategy and measure performance. This data-driven approach reduces guesswork and helps leaders make informed choices that drive results. It also enables organizations to spot trends and respond proactively to changes in the market. Standardizing best practices ensures consistency and quality across the organization. Top companies document their most effective processes and train employees to follow them. This reduces errors, speeds up onboarding, and makes it easier to scale operations. By continuously updating these standards, organizations can maintain high performance even as they grow. In today's fast-paced world, agility is essential. Great companies build flexible systems that allow them to pivot quickly in response to new opportunities or challenges. They encourage experimentation and are not afraid to change course when needed. This adaptability helps them stay relevant and resilient, no matter what the market throws their way. Operational excellence thrives on collaboration. Leading companies break down silos and encourage teams from different departments to work together. This cross-functional approach leads to better problem-solving, faster innovation, and a more cohesive organization. By sharing knowledge and resources, companies can tackle complex challenges more effectively. Great companies actively seek out and act on customer feedback. They create systems for collecting input, analyzing it, and making improvements based on what they learn. This feedback loop ensures that products and services stay aligned with customer needs and expectations. It also helps organizations spot issues early and address them before they become bigger problems. A well-managed supply chain is a key driver of operational success. Top companies build strong relationships with suppliers, use technology to track inventory, and optimize logistics to ensure timely delivery. By making their supply chains more efficient and resilient, they can reduce costs and respond quickly to disruptions. Quality is non-negotiable for great companies. They implement robust quality management systems to monitor performance, identify defects, and ensure that every product or service meets high standards. These systems are integrated into daily operations, making quality everyone's responsibility. The result is fewer errors, happier customers, and a stronger reputation. Managing risk is essential for operational excellence. Leading companies identify potential threats early and develop strategies to mitigate them. This proactive approach includes everything from financial risks to supply chain disruptions. By planning for the unexpected, organizations can protect their assets and maintain smooth operations even in challenging times. Sustainability is becoming a core part of operational excellence. Top companies integrate eco-friendly practices into their operations, from reducing waste to conserving energy. These initiatives not only benefit the environment but also improve efficiency and brand reputation. By making sustainability a priority, organizations can create long-term value for both their business and society. Measuring performance is crucial for continuous improvement. Great companies set clear metrics and track progress regularly. They use dashboards and reports to monitor key indicators and make data-driven decisions. This focus on measurement ensures that everyone knows what success looks like and can work together to achieve it. Engaged employees are more productive and committed to operational excellence. Top companies create a positive work environment, recognize achievements, and provide opportunities for growth. They listen to employee feedback and involve teams in decision-making. This engagement leads to higher morale, lower turnover, and better business outcomes. Innovation is a key driver of operational excellence. Great companies foster a culture where new ideas are welcomed and tested. They encourage experimentation and are willing to take calculated risks. This culture of innovation leads to better products, improved processes, and a stronger competitive position. Clear and open communication is vital for operational success. Leading companies ensure that information flows freely across all levels of the organization. They use regular meetings, digital platforms, and transparent reporting to keep everyone informed and aligned. Effective communication helps prevent misunderstandings and keeps teams focused on shared goals. Delivering an exceptional customer experience is a hallmark of operationally excellent companies. They map out the customer journey, identify pain points, and make improvements at every touchpoint. By putting the customer at the center of operations, these organizations build loyalty and drive growth. Managing costs without sacrificing quality is a balancing act. Great companies use budgeting, forecasting, and cost control measures to ensure financial health. They look for ways to reduce expenses through process improvements and smart sourcing. This disciplined approach to cost management supports long-term profitability. Scalability is about building systems that can grow with the business. Top companies design processes and structures that can handle increased demand without losing efficiency or quality. This foresight allows them to expand quickly and seize new opportunities as they arise. Strong partnerships with suppliers are essential for operational excellence. Great companies work closely with their suppliers to ensure quality, reliability, and innovation. These relationships are built on trust, transparency, and mutual benefit, leading to better outcomes for everyone involved. Change is inevitable, and great companies excel at managing it. They have processes in place to guide teams through transitions, communicate changes clearly, and address concerns proactively. Effective change management minimizes disruption and helps organizations adapt smoothly to new realities. Benchmarking is the practice of comparing your operations to industry leaders. Top companies regularly assess their performance against best-in-class organizations to identify gaps and set improvement targets. This external perspective drives innovation and ensures that they stay competitive. Retaining customers is just as important as acquiring new ones. Great companies focus on building long-term relationships through consistent quality, excellent service, and ongoing engagement. High retention rates lead to stable revenue and lower marketing costs. Lean operations focus on maximizing value while minimizing waste. Great companies adopt lean principles to streamline processes, reduce unnecessary steps, and improve flow. This approach leads to faster delivery, lower costs, and higher customer satisfaction. Automation is transforming operations across industries. Top companies use automation to handle repetitive tasks, reduce errors, and free up employees for higher value work. This not only boosts efficiency but also enhances job satisfaction by allowing people to focus on more meaningful activities. Segmenting customers allows companies to tailor their operations and offerings to different groups. By understanding the unique needs of each segment, organizations can deliver more personalized experiences and improve satisfaction. This targeted approach also helps optimize marketing and resource allocation. Effective inventory management ensures that companies have the right products in the right place at the right time. Top organizations use technology to track inventory levels, forecast demand, and prevent stockouts or overstocking. This leads to lower costs and better customer service. Process mapping helps companies visualize their workflows and identify areas for improvement. By documenting each step, organizations can spot inefficiencies, standardize procedures, and train employees more effectively. This clarity leads to smoother operations and better results. A smooth onboarding process sets the tone for a positive customer relationship. Great companies design onboarding experiences that are clear, efficient, and supportive. This helps new customers get value quickly and increases the likelihood of long-term loyalty. When problems arise, great companies dig deep to find the root cause. They use tools like the 5 whys and fishbone diagrams to analyze issues and prevent recurrence. This systematic approach leads to lasting solutions and continuous improvement. Visual management uses charts, boards, and displays to make information easily accessible. Top companies use visual tools to track progress, highlight issues, and keep teams aligned. This transparency boosts accountability and helps everyone stay focused on key goals. Robust customer support systems are essential for operational excellence. Great companies invest in technology and training to ensure quick, effective responses to customer inquiries. This commitment to support builds trust and strengthens relationships. Knowledge management ensures that valuable information is captured, shared, and used effectively. Top companies create systems for documenting best practices, lessons learned, and key insights. This makes it easier to train new employees and maintain high performance as the organization grows. A clear customer value proposition sets great companies apart. They articulate what makes their products or services unique and ensure that every operational decision supports this promise. This clarity helps attract and retain customers in a crowded marketplace. Ongoing training is vital for operational excellence. Great companies invest in comprehensive training programs to keep employees' skills sharp and aligned with company goals. This commitment to learning drives innovation and ensures that teams are prepared for future challenges. Standardizing processes helps companies maintain consistency and quality as they grow. By documenting and following standardized procedures, organizations can reduce errors, speed up training, and ensure that best practices are applied across the board. Measuring what matters to customers is key. Top companies track metrics like Net Promoter Score, customer satisfaction, and response times. These customer-centric metrics guide operational improvements and help ensure that the organization is delivering real value. Operational excellence requires alignment between strategy and execution. Great companies ensure that every team and process supports the overall business strategy. This alignment keeps everyone focused on shared goals and maximizes the impact of operational improvements. Recognizing and celebrating achievements is important for sustaining operational excellence. Top companies take time to acknowledge milestones, reward high performers, and share success stories. This positive reinforcement motivates teams and reinforces a culture of excellence. Sum up: operational excellence is a journey, not a destination. It requires ongoing commitment, a willingness to adapt, and a focus on both people and processes. By embracing the principles we've discussed, companies can build resilient, high-performing organizations that deliver lasting value to customers, employees, and stakeholders. Thank you for joining us on the exploration of how great companies excel at operations. Keep striving for excellence in everything you do.